Ever been blessed by somebody when you really needed it? I'm giving a shout out to Mary Jo, who saw me in a tough time last year. We had seen each other several times walking our dogs. Her dog's a little spunky sweetheart, but a little skittish of my dog Lula, who's a giant. And so we've said hi before, and we actually got to talking one time, and she could tell without me saying anything that I was dealing with a lot, and brought me a loaf of fresh baked bread. Now this gal is closing in on 100 years old, amazing, going strong person, and she saw me again the other day and had these Ethan Allen, I believe, tables that she would like to just get the surfaces finished up. You can see just normal wear and tear. So I'm gonna do her a little favor and do them for her, and hopefully she's happy. Speaking of Lula, let's have at it. Not a major transformation, just something I want to do to say thank you. Thank you, Mary Jo. Just for the record, the drawers are with her. She didn't want me to do anything else with them except, clean up, and just, you can see the wear and tear, just watermarks, little scuff marks up on there, nothing major. But hopefully we can do this for her. I love this. It's a crochet pattern for a shell, and I am a hooker of the crochet kind. I love this. Hi, Lila. One thing I like to do is give a good cleaning to things where I'm not staining fresh, like raw wood. And if you use 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar, white vinegar, it gives it a nice good cleaning. You can see like build up on just dust and stuff there. Obviously there's some dust from me sanding, but definitely some build up, and I can use an old toothbrush, get in there real good, and get this ready to go. One of the stains I'll be using is Early American. I've used it on several projects on my site, and it's going to go well with this style, this era, and what is original color, and I'll kind of touch up there too. Top coat with a satin, several coats, and hopefully be good to go. gonna have that pressure washing in the driveway. You can see where this was here before I moved in. They just started, didn't finish, and obviously I still have this stone pile I need to take care of, so I will touch that up when I get to it. Hopefully, hoping to make a brighter difference. One of my go-tos for polishing brass is Bar Keepers. I use it for so many things, but it does a great job. Just toothbrush, rag, and maybe even a non-scratch pad, but looks much better, eh? Oh, and yes, I did go get her doors because I just couldn't not do all of it. It just kind of made my eye twitch, but I knew that if I didn't touch up the drawers too, that everything wouldn't look right, so yep. Mary Jo is such a treat. I actually have been very busy with my son's tennis tournaments and some other things. You see me doing the pressure washing. And wrapped up the project and took my pictures and took them over to her. She was definitely delighted and said they look like they've never been damaged. And that was fun for me to hear. But over the discussions I had had with her when I was visiting her, I loved that she had said something, and she said I could quote her, and this isn't direct quote, but that in her aging, she said she's noticed people that are younger than her that are aging, and even in nursing home situations, and all they do is complain. They complain about how tired they are, about how achy they are, and she's like, get up and move. Do something. And I was like, good for you. That's definitely me, definitely my mentality and how I see things. And in another instance, we were talking to her, she was saying, you know, I have chosen to slow down in some things, and one of those was I don't do the ladder. And so I'm listening to her and I'm like, oh, that's good, you know, smart to slow down, realize your limits, so on. And she says, but she has 14 great grandchildren. One of these kids will be around here and they can hold the ladder while I go up. Go you, Mary Jo. She's going to get those windows clean one way or another. But I love that she's not afraid to keep doing, but she realizes maybe needs some help. I hope she inspires you. She's inspired me in more ways than one. And just this fun part of life going on, hopefully to bring you a smile. Until next time.